AUTOPSTENHOJ, the uplifting company, presents the Masterlift 2.35 Combi Check-in KA 1550, the perfect lift for reception. The Masterlift Combi Check-in was developed especially for the workshop reception area and is as standard with aluminum skid-free coating. The very low minimum height of the superstructure allows for easy drive-over, even where very low vehicles are concerned. This all-purpose lift is also suitable for repair and maintenance jobs, as well as testing. The programmable control unit has push buttons and a separate main switch. The lift is labeled with lifting capacity as well as a short maintenance description label. The lift is equipped with an emergency lowering valve, but can also be lowered by using compressed air. The double hydraulic unit makes it possible to use either main lift or freewheel lift. During the reception inspection, the lift can be adjusted to the suitable working height. Moreover, the freewheel lift can be raised easily and quickly to achieve wheel-free application. Concludingly, the lift is suitable for almost all kinds of jobs, in particular work on underbody, brakes, and wheels. We offer a large number of different rubber pads to increase the application possibilities. The XY pads allow for even wider application possibilities. The pyramid structure of the pads connects the rubber pads and the support and prevents skidding. Through the hard chrome plated cylinders, you reach a maximum working height of approximately 2 meters for both main lift and freewheel lift. Moreover, our hydraulic units have corrosion-proof elements made of a special aluminum alloy. The waterproof cassette ensures a clean overlap with workshop floor. The Masterlift Combi Check-in lift is equipped with stable double cylinders with optimum distance between them. It is thus the ideal lift for reception with a very low minimum height. It is also suitable for sports cars due to the very flat design. We offer an LED lighting set for perfect illumination of the work areas. The automatic wheel stops are designed as per EU regulations as a safety device and are sturdy and reliable. The lift can moreover be combined with test equipment and also headlight tester. Investing in a Masterlift Combi Check-in lift is an investment in the future and gives the perfect customer contact. Naturally, we have various recommendations and approvals for this lift from leading vehicle manufacturers. Contact us for more information or visit our website, AUTOPSTENHOJ.com. You are welcome.